Hello world and welcome back. So today I was just messing around with my code and all with Python, and I came up with something that's a little bit more interesting that than like what we actually usually do on our channel. Uh, I kind of automated my computer to open my online classes link on time in the morning. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about what I did. I'm not actually teaching you and talking about the fundamental part of the program. I'm just gonna be telling you what I did and what I used, and I also be linking my code in the description in the GitHub page, so you can take the code from there. Also, if you guys want to know what the code is and how the fundamental part of the code and the logic of it, I'll be happy to make a video on that. Just put it in the comments. In this video, I'm not going to be talking about the scheduling that I did, but it's going to be how it works. So you can just run it, and the computer will automatically go open the link in the browser, mute yourself, turn off your camera, and then ask to join so the teacher can let you in. So let's get started with that. What I did, I'm using PyAuto GUI to like control my mouse and keyboard movements. I'm using sys to record my mouse location and all. I'm using time to tell the program to sleep or take a break for seconds. And I'm using the web browser module to open the browser with the link in it. So what I'm doing first here is that let me show you it. I'll talk about this in a more practical way because I'm just talking about how it's going to be working like. So what I'm doing is I let me comment all of this first. So what I did here is that I'm gonna first be tracking my movements. So movement of my mouse, right? So what the link I want to open is this. For example, let's talk about this link. So what I want to do is that I'm going to take all the positions of all the buttons that I'm going to be clicking, and then I'll open the CMD, go ahead and open my put this here. So let me show you, right? So what I did is now I'm going to be tracking my mouse movements, right? Like on your on the screen you can see that it's giving me the x and the y values, right? So we have to be noting that down simultaneously while we're programming. So what I want to do is like see my my computer does not have a webcam, right? So it's already turned off, so you don't have to worry about that. What I want to do is turn off my mic so that yeah, because we need to. So what coordinates I get here is 711 and 737. It may be varying like in numbers a little bit, like 5 or 4, something like that. So I have 713 and 739 noted over here, and then I want to tell my mouse to move to the ask to join button on the right side. So I'll take the coordinates of that, which is 1302 and 590, which also I have noted right about here. So what I want to do is that I want to tell my mouse to like first program to first open the browser. So after that happens, I want to tell my mouse to move to the microphone button, click on it, then take a break for like 2 seconds or something, go to the ready to like ask to join button, click on it, and then break. So then it's all about up to the teacher if she wants to let me in or not. uh, so yeah, that's what it is. Now let me try and now I'll run the program and show you how it actually works, so you'll get an idea about what I'm talking about. I'll fix my program. Yeah, there you go. So now let's run this again and see. Yeah, see, there you go. Now I'm not controlling my mouse. It automatically turned off the microphone and asked to join. There you go. So this is how it you can like kind of automate your computer to do stuff. It's very basic. At the moment I'm also trying to work on more things to make it even more better. Like you can the computer will automatically put like good morning or wish the teacher in the chat box or something. So please note that this is not to use in a wrong way. Please attend your classes. It's pretty important at the moment because everything is online. You'll miss out on a lot of things. So please use it in a good way and in a productive way. So this is how you could like automatically open your classes in the morning, so you don't have to go and manually do that all the time. You can also make multiple programs for this, for like each subject and all, so you can schedule it to open one by one, so you don't have to again manually do it. You can take more than a break. So yeah, that's what I did. Let me go over the code once. So here I talked about how you can take the location of the mouse. We just need to do that in the beginning. You don't need to do that later. Then the function of opening the browser and tracking the mouse and controlling it is by, first I open the use the module to open the browser with this link in it. And new to is basically like, it's not that important. I'll talk about it in the next video if you want. Time.sleep, the computer sleeps for like 5 seconds, does not do anything. Then the PyAuto GUI is used to move the mouse to this coordinate so that it locates what the button we need to click. Then it is telling it to click the button, again very easy. Time.sleep will again tell the computer to take a break for 2 seconds, move the mouse cursor to this location coordinates, then again click the button and then break. So this is what it is doing at the moment. I am going to be improving it and I'm making more videos on automation and stuff. Meanwhile, I'll be continuing with the Python courses. I'm sorry for not uploading for a long while. I've been stuck with a lot of classes, so not getting a lot of time. My bad for that. So this was just like a small tutorial on like telling you about what I did. It was very fun and interesting. So check out the code in the description if you want to try it on by yourself, and if you have any queries or errors coming in the chat, you can put it in the description. And if you want the code or the explanation of this, because it is pretty important to understand how a program is working, just don't copy paste codes. It's a very big mistake you'll be making. So if you need that, please make sure to drop a comment. I'll happily make the video. And yeah, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and again, please use it in a productive way and not to cheat. So yeah, that was it. Any questions, description always. Thank you, have a good day.